Are you looking for a way to make money online? But you're searching all over the internet, but it seems like you can't find anything. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about make money online with Walmart working from home. So everybody know that Walmart is a huge company. Now I'm going to share with you how to make money with Walmart working from home. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. My name is Andre. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways that I could share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can crush it right away. So I talk about lots of different things. So make sure you scroll through my YouTube channel and you can find something that will help you make some money online. So let's jump in the video right away. So as I mentioned before, this is indeed my YouTube channel. So feel free to scroll through here. I make a ton of videos, and I'm sure that one of these videos you can apply what I teach and you could start to make money online. So again, make money with Walmart working from home. So let's dive into it. So for my regulars, happy to have you here. Welcome to the family, and we're gonna jump into things right away. So the very first thing that I'll be talking about is how to sign up for their program. So I'm gonna head on over to Google and I'm gonna show you. So the first thing you wanna do, you wanna type in Walmart and you wanna type in the affiliate. So Walmart affiliate. So right here, you can go directly to the handle where it says affiliate.walmart.com, or you could just go to Google and you could search Walmart affiliate. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to click on it. And then once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to how to become an affiliate with Walmart. And what that means, you're basically going to be the person who's going to be in the middle that is looking for customers that want whatever products. And whenever you share your affiliate links with them, Walmart will give you a commission as long as that customer buys any product from Walmart. So if you want to become a member, just click on here where it says become a member, and it will just take you right over here where you definitely need to sign up. So let me click on here to enable. They just want to confirm. 1 second. Let me just hit that refresh again. Okay, this form is like a third-party form. So let me just go back. All right, so here's the Walmart link. All right, click on here to become a member, and it should pop up. Not sure why this is showing up, but all the information, you have to put in your name, your email, all that, and it's gonna make sure you put like your information of how you will be receiving payments from them, and then you could get started right away. So let's say you sign up for the affiliate program and you get started right now. I think their affiliate sign up form sheet is kind of down while shooting this video, but just head on over and this is where it's going to take you directly to the Walmart area. So make sure you check it out here on Google and it will just take you directly there. So once you sign up, we all know what Walmart is. If you look over here, they have tons and tons of different products that will help you get started. Now, I always stay with the trend and with things that are happening at the current time. Why? Because it's the summertime, as you can see. People are trying to find clothes. They're trying to find, hiking equipment, all the type of stuff. So if you scroll through here and you see all the different topics and all the different trends that are taken off right now. So these are some of the clothes that they're looking for. Fashion, you have luggage, electronics, you travel stuff. So many different ways how you could go in and you can find summer gear. So if you click on where it says top tech for travels, for summer travels, you can look on here, and the more expensive the things are, the more commission you'll be earning. For example, let's say this baby register here. I'm going to click on it. There's a lot of things in the baby registry, things that you can buy, because this time of the year there's a lot of people expecting, there's a baby coming around, so you'll find a lot of these things. So this is a good market to tap into. So let's say you want to tap into the baby niche and people getting expecting and all that kind of stuff. So let me click on where it says Facebook. You're going to go on over to Facebook and you want to type in moms. You can type in moms, right? You can type in moms, and you got royal moms, you got work at home moms. All these are different type of stuff, but let's look for something more specific, right? Pregnancy, because you can find anything. Pregnancy groups. So here we go. This is a big group, pregnancy group, first time pregnancy support, pregnancy questions and answer, pregnancy mom support. So once you can get into this group, right? Even if you're a guy, sometimes they'll probably ask you some questions, but you could say, yeah, I got a cousin or a friend who will be expecting. I just want to give them a little bit of support and see if I can get some of the questions, see if this group is right for you. So once you go inside of this group, you're not going to go in there and spam your links all over the place. You never want to do that because people are going to look at you weird and all that kind of stuff. So once you go in there, you can then look and see all the different type of questions, right? You can private message people and say, oh, I see you're expecting, congratulations, you're having a baby, right? And I hope everything is going well. And you could, I heard there are some great deals on Walmart. You could check out Walmart because they have some really cool stuff. And then you could take that link that you've created from that you get from Walmart, and you could send it to them. You could send them directly to these type of links. So people could go on there, they can look at it, and they're like, oh, this is nice. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna put that on the registry. Likewise, if people want to find some hiking gear, hiking stuff, right? You could click on groups that says outdoor, right? Outdoor adventures. You could type in outdoor adventures. There are groups, right? There's over 5,000 people in here, 16,000 people. So these are type of groups that you could be a part of. You could join them and you could go in there. You're not going to spam your links and all that type of stuff. You could reach out to people, or if you're allowed to put links, you'd be like, hey guys, I found this great deal on Walmart. Check out what they have right now with hiking stuff. So you're using that way to get people to buy. So that's another way. The next way you could go, you could sign up for Bing if you want to use Bing. Bing is a great place that you can scale. You can put a little bit of money into advertising. And once you do that, once you put some money into advertising, then things are going to scale. It's going to take off. So you could sign up for Bing and you can register and you could start to promote here on Bing. But if you also want to scale as well, you could sign up for Google AdWords. Google AdWords, everybody likes Google. Everybody goes on there and they they search for different things that they can look for. They look for things that to buy. So if you want to find a link here and then you want to go over to Google, you could sign up for AdWords. Once you go inside of AdWords, they have some tools and things that you could use, and you can find general keywords. So when you find those keywords that people are looking for, then eventually you could go out there and you can use that link and have people inside of your business. But the best way that I see that works is by reaching out to Facebook, or you can do a product review just by going on YouTube. So if you type in outdoor products review, I'm sure you probably will find something. So if you type in outdoor products review, there's already people reviewing these type of things. People already making videos. This video was like 3 days ago. So you could do review on this type of stuff. If you don't know how to create a video, you can always go over to Fiverr.com and someone will create a video for you without you have to be in it. And then you can upload that video onto YouTube. When it starts to get more views, when it starts to attract more people, that's where people are going to buy and you can make commission. So that is another great way of using your skills and just take it out, take it to the next level. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't want to make it too long, and I'm sure you can go out there and you could dive in and you could start to apply exactly what you learn. But for my method, Facebook is always my go-to, and for paid method and all that kind of stuff, you can go on to Google, you can go on to Bing, you can even create an Instagram review page about these things and put a link in the description where people can reach out to you. So hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like videos like these, do remember to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. You're looking for my #1 recommendation, I advise you to check out the first link in the description. My name is Andre, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.